Hey, welcome to Make a Mark Studios. I'm Miss V, and today we're going to be creating a painted paper monstera leaf. The materials that you're going to need include 2 pieces of paper, a pencil, scissors, acrylic paint, brushes, a water cup, and some glue. If at any point you feel like I'm moving too fast, don't panic. Pause the video or just adjust your playback speed to make it a bit slower at the bottom. You can also check out the link below for more info. So the first step we're going to do is fold a piece of paper vertically, and then we're going to draw a big oval shape. This is going to help us to keep our leaf nice and proportioned. Then using our pencil, we're going to create the contours of our leaf. The next step is to cut along the lines that you've drawn. And when you open it up, you'll see your leaf design. Monstera leaves have these little holes in them. A cool fact is that the monstera plant has these holes and these little splits in it because where they are originally from is very windy in the tropics, and this allows the wind to pass through the plant without damaging it. So to create those, you're going to fold it in half vertically, then fold it in half horizontally. Using your pencil, draw a little half oval, and then using your scissors, you're going to cut along that half oval. You can create as many of these little holes as you see fit, and you can put them in different parts of the leaf. If you want to make one that's asymmetrical, you don't fold it vertically, you just fold it horizontally and then cut your little oval, kind of like you're making a paper snowflake. Let's get ready for paint. So I recommend covering your workspace because you're gonna make a mess. Getting a few different shades of green, some paintbrushes, and a water cup. Starting on one side of your leaf, you're going to strive for a lighter green in the middle, blending to a mid-tone green, and then along the edges, it's going to go to a dark green. Use a little bit of water with your acrylic paint to make it flow nicely and blend your colors together. And one of the most important things here is making sure that your brush strokes are going in that diagonal direction. That's going to help it to give that look of veins in the leaf. Make sure that you cover all of your paper and get any little white spots that are coming through. The more thoroughly you paint this, the more it's going to look like an actual leaf. Once you have the green pretty well developed, you're going to want to take a little bit of white paint and create some little veins in your leaf. You're going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side, except your brush strokes are going to go in the opposite diagonal direction. As you work, refine those little veins in the leaf and create some extra details. Make sure that you're layering your acrylic paint for nice thick coverage. Your last step is to take another piece of paper and create a background of your choice. Ideally, you want something that's going to contrast nicely with your dark green monstera leaf. I'm doing a little bit of a pastel rainbow. You can explore different colors, different patterns, different brush strokes. Really get creative with how you create your background to build contrast with the leaf. Once everything's dry, you'll glue your leaf onto your background. You can explore how you place your leaf. Maybe it's perfectly vertical and balanced, or maybe it's a little offset. Get creative with how you position it onto your background. Here's some different examples of finished monstera leaves. One with the rainbow background. This is just a simple white paper background. You can explore different colored paper behind your leaf. And here's an example of one with really fun spiral brush strokes. I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more videos from Make a Mark Studios, helping you to make your mark through art.